Cynthia with the Cake Craft Shop in Sugarland. Earlier today we've already made our icing. We've got all of our cookies baked, everything ready to go to start decorating. This is the fun part. What I've done is I've divided my icing up into separate bowls, added gel colors to them, and then I divided them up again to make some of them a more softer consistency for our flooding and then a stiffer consistency to build our dam. We have a large variety of cookie cutters at the store. You can go on our website and check out all of our cookie cutters. And whenever I do my piping on my cookies, I'm going to use two different utensils. For doing my dam, I'm going to use a bag with a tip number 3 on it. Since the icing is stiffer, it's just a lot easier to squeeze this and get the icing onto your cookie. Then when I flood the cookie, I'm going to be using a bottle. And this is with my thinner icing, and I've got a number 8 tip on this. I love these bottles because you can change out the tip and use any size you need depending on what you're working on. So this is what I'll be using for the flooding. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of embellishment to my cookie using the white sugar crystals, and it's going to add just a little bit extra to the cookie. Okay, first thing we're going to do is start building our dam of our icing that we're going to flood the middle of it with onto the cookie. You want to stay up above the surface while you're piping so you have a nice dam. Once you get this on your cookie, if you've got a lot of cookies to do, what you'll want to do is kind of create an assembly line and go around to each cookie and add your dam. And when you finish that, finish all your cookies, then you go back to the beginning and then you start your flooding. Okay? Add a little line right there because we're going to be using 2 different colors. And then you'll just let this set up for about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and start our flooding now. I'm going to start with my lime green color here, since we have a margarita. And I just want to fill the whole middle of this cookie. And you want to just squeeze it until it fills up right up to your line. I just kind of use the tip of this to kind of maneuver the icing a little bit. There we go. Keep the icing covered so it doesn't dry out on you. And now to do the stem. Go. Okay, now see how beautiful our cookie is. Now I'm just going to take the top edge of the cookie and dip it in the sugar crystals just to make it look like it has a salt rim on it. Any of the products that I've used you can find on our website at any of the products that I've used you can find on our website, which is cakecraftshop.com. We'll also have our recipes that we've used for the cookies, the icing, and everything else we do in the store on the website as well. So cheers!